Students, today we are going to start a new chapter of English, Class 5, Teamwork. It is a poem, but before going through it, I want to ask you a question. Students, have you ever played cricket, football or kho-kho? Most of you will say yes, isn't it? Now, look at these pictures carefully. In all the pictures, children are playing some games. In one picture, children are playing cricket. In another one, the children are playing kho-kho. And in the last picture, they are playing football. Have you noticed a common thing in all these pictures? Yes. All the children are playing in a team. They are playing together in a group. See how they are enjoying playing in a team? They all are looking very happy. So, we can say that working together in a group or playing together in a group or in a team is a teamwork. Now, we will see some very common examples of teamwork. Look at these pictures. How these hard-working ants are working together in a team to get their food. They all are trying to carry a piece of eatable which is bigger than their size. Definitely, they will get success in their work. Now look at another example of teamwork. You all must have heard the story of a flock of birds which once caught in a hunter's net. Then what they did? They worked together and tried to flee away with the net. They tried to save themselves from the hunter. They worked together and finally they succeed in their work. See, in the first picture, the birds are caught in the hunter's net, but in the second picture, they are trying to flee away with the net together in a team and finally they succeed in their work. So, from these examples, what we have learned? We have learned that to get success in a game or any other field of life, many times we have to work together in a team. Now I hope you all have understood what is a teamwork. We can say working together in a group to reach a common goal and to get success is a teamwork. Many advantages of teamwork. Let's see what are these. First, it develops team spirit. It develops a healthy competition among the people. Second, we get learning opportunities from the others. Third, work is divided between the team members and the individual workload becomes less. Fourth, our work completes quickly while we work together. Last but not the least, we learn to coordinate with others. Now, we will recite the poem and will try to understand its meaning. The title of the poem is Teamwork. Teamwork, teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. Then we will share the joy of work, what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. It means if we will work together, then whatever we have dreamed, it will definitely come true. Our dreams will fulfill. And after getting success, we will share its happiness with each and every member of the team who worked hard for that success. It's fun to shoot the basketball through a hoop. But if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. Students, do you know what is a hoop and what is a baton? Look at these pictures. There is a basketball hoop inside which the players are trying to put the basketball, and in another picture there is a baton in the hand of the player, and the meaning is we enjoy a lot when we try to shoot the basketball through the hoop. But think, what will happen if no one will pass the basketball? Will anyone be able to shoot the ball inside the hoop? No, not at all, and will not be able to enjoy the game also. Suppose if the player will not pass the baton in a relay race, does the race continue? No. To continue the game, all the players have to work together in a team and have to pass the baton. We are the part that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes us. It means every member of the team is a part of that team. They all have a common goal which they have to achieve together. And when all the members don't think individually but think for the whole team, then they can get a big success which they have dreamt of. They achieve a great success. So this is the poem. Once again we will recite the poem. Teamwork, teamwork, together we can make our dream work. Then we will share the joy of work, what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. It's fun to shoot the basketball through a hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. We are the part that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes us. Written by Jan Negro. Now students, I hope you have understood the meaning of the poem. And now based on the poem, here are some questions which I have given you as assignment. And you have to complete this worksheet in your notebook. You have to write the answers of these questions in your notebook. The first question is, how can we make our dream work? Second, with whom we can share the joy of work done? Third, what will happen if nobody passes the basketball? Fourth, in which situation the relay race just can't go on? So you have to write the answers of these questions in your notebook. Thank you for watching the video.